Does AI content rank? In today's video, I'm going to give you some insights into a few of the sites that I've used with just AI content, my strategy for doing it, the current success and growth of the site, and my projections into what's going to happen. Let's get into today's video. Unless you've been living under a rock, you are super aware of AI content almost taking over the internet. It's happening slowly but progressively, and as things continue to progress and evolve and change, we're going to be seeing AI content not just in blogs and affiliate sites, but across the internet in general. I've seen just a few tools that I've been using, for example, Upwork and Skype, integrate some form of AI support or system or chat box within their platform and their website. And I think now is really a smart time to understand what it is AI content is and how to use it responsibly as part of your content strategy. Now, I've just jumped onto Google quickly. I'm just tapped in AI content, and there's always new content, new information, and new articles around AI content. There's different people publishing different types of AI content, AI tools. There's people that are generally in fear about it, and as you can see, it's definitely something that's changing and that potentially could need moderation in the future. There's certainly a lot going on with AI content. But in today's video, I just want to go over what's happening in terms of my personal blog and my personal case study and a experiment that I've done recently with AI content. So let's get into that now. So around 2 months ago, 2.5 months ago probably, I started up a website on a expired domain that was very relevant to a sub-silo that I was familiar with. In a niche I already have websites in, and I thought this would be a perfect place to test an AI or AI generated content site to see what would happen. Would it grow? Would it be stagnant? Would I get penalized? For me, it was a low cost risk based on the amount of time and effort I was putting in, and also the potential to see returns on the flip side. So what was the structure? So very simply, I set up a theme, of course hosted the website, made sure it was fast and efficient. I popped over to ChatGPT and I inputted lots of information and gave it some prompts and saved the commands that I needed for it to generate articles for me. The article count was in and around the 1,500 word mark. And instead of just taking each article and adding those to a WordPress blog and hitting publish, I gave it to a VA, fact checked it, and also got them to make small tweaks. I didn't want it to be all AI content, but I think enough AI content, like 80%, is for me the right mix between mainly AI and a little bit of human touch. Also, I paid a VA to do all the on-page SEO for every single article using a tool called RankMath, which I would 100% recommend. It's free as a plugin, and it's a really powerful tool that gives you loads of access to on-page SEO and pretty much anything that you need to rank your websites and your posts correctly, and also structure your site in the correct way. So the site's up, it is hosted correctly, the posts are being published and formatted. What happened? So here's a screenshot of Google Search Console. So this is within the developer tools itself. And as you can see, the website slowly started to gain a little bit of traction from the end of February. Up from about March, it started to get some initial traction. There was a little bit of organic traffic coming from the age domain, but it wasn't anything relevant. As the posts started to slowly get indexed, the traffic started to slowly rank up. And upon seeing what types of pages and posts were getting the most traction, I decided that I would change my strategy very quickly, adapt it and modify it to create more posts in the sub-silo that was working, and then rank that up. Now, as you can see, we're into May now, and we're in and around the 350-ish range clicks per day, which I think is pretty awesome for it is an age site, but I did it on purpose because I wanted to see faster traction. But importantly, the articles and posts are ranking, which is a really good plus sign. So this is a snapshot of Google Analytics. As you can see, we're up in and around the 45% range for the last 28 days, so month on month. Again, this is really just a test for me, just to see if these types of posts will rank. And I'll explain in a second how many posts I have currently. It's not going to be as much as you think. So for me, it was, will it rank number one? Fantastic. If it does rank, let's do more of that. And then once it's ranking, are we going to get traffic? Is the audience going to be engaged? And can we essentially make money from it? And we're going to go into that now. Now, here's a snapshot of within Google Search Console of the indexed pages. So as you can see, there are only 405-ish indexed pages. I think the site has in around 430 posts. As things start to slowly scale, I'm probably going to double and probably triple that. The process for creating these types of posts are really low maintenance, so I can probably double or triple that within a month, maybe less to be fair. But again, I'm looking to scale slowly, see what works, and then scale up. Now, I generally haven't got any tools or data to suggest, but I do think having 2,000 posts that appear in month one just looks a little bit unorthodox and probably isn't something that most people are going to be able to do. Most individual kind of blog and hobbyist type people probably can't churn out 2,000 articles in a month. So slow and steady, and then rank up as we start to see some progress. That was my strategy. So you're probably thinking, fantastic, Mo, but have you actually made any money from it? Let's get into that now. So the answer is yes. In the last 30 days, it's made in and around $80. This is on Ezoic's platform. Ezoic is an ad platform that pretty much allows any reliable and quality website that has low traffic to monetize their website with ads. If you're not familiar with them, feel free to check out a link below, or just type in ezoic.com and you'll get all the information that you need. So as it currently stands, Ezoic is my main advertising partner for this particular project. I think as things start to scale up, I may incorporate over to Mediafine. We'll kind of see how that pans out, but for now it seems to be doing okay with Ezoic, and I think the RPMs are in and around the $10 maybe $9 mark, which for this particular niche I'm pretty happy about. Now I'll do a separate video on some of the costs for this project so you can see, but I just wanted to give you some insights into this. Is probably like a 90-day-ish case study that I've been doing and working on. It's pretty low scale at the moment, but I can tell you currently I've spent around $3,500 on this case study, and I'm probably looking to exit in a short time just to de-risk from these types of sites. Again, it was a case study. I want to see if it works. If it does, I'll rank it up and potentially keep it, potentially sell it. We'll see. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video and some of the case study results. I'll continue to update you with the AI content display advertising site, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.